Hello everybody, I am Trader Joe. Welcome to a live trading session where I'm going to be showing you how I scalp using pure price action. I trade in a funded futures account through Apex Trader Funding. Today I will be scalping NASDAQ futures on the 2000 tick chart. Let's do this thing. So obviously we are in a uptrend, right? We're making higher highs and higher lows. So we are only looking for longs right now, not going to trade against the trend. So I'm going to draw this channel like so. Now let's zoom in and let's see if we can find any trades. The strategy I'm using is second entries. So what we're looking for is a pullback, the first entry or the first attempt to go long, another pullback, and a second entry, and that's when we're going to go long. Also, since we're in a clear uptrend, we're looking for counter trend traders and trying to trap them. So a first entry short, a pullback, and a second entry short that then fails to the upside. So those are the two setups we're looking for right now. So price is kind of breaking out, not really a solid break, but just kind of fading out. So I'm not really sure what's going on here. I'm gonna kind of mess with this channel, and maybe it's like that. But we are in a clear uptrend, so I'm still looking for second entries and failed second entry shorts. All right, so we do have a second entry short that looks like it is going to fail. I'm going to get my order ready, and then I can draw it out for you in a second. And we are long. So I'm going to move my stop here. And basically I was looking from this swing low here, we have a pullback, a first entry short, a pullback, and a second entry short. That is now failing, so trying to trap those counter trend traders. We are getting some quick movement here, so we might get filled here pretty soon. All right, just a couple more ticks to get filled. It is bouncing off our order, and prices are moving against us. So, all right. Well, I moved my order to scratch. This is not looking good. I should have known better, honestly. Had this weird channel break that just kind of like faded out of the channel. That's not really what we're looking for. So it tells me I probably drew my channel wrong. I was just, with all the bullish momentum, to be honest, I just kind of wanted to get in on a long trade, and now it looks like I'm paying the consequences for it. So this is why you got to really make sure everything is drawn out correctly. I mean, you're not just kind of jumping into trades. That's what I did. So yeah, there we go. So took our first loss for the day. Unfortunately, we are 0-1, down $400. No bueno. I'm going to try to redraw the channels and see if I can look for a more high probability setup. All right, well, unfortunately took another loss there. Didn't get a chance to get it on the recording. But basically what I was seeing, I redrew the channel. We had 1, 2, 3 tests at this level. A nice bearish bar. I caught a little bit of the pullback on that. So it's a very low risk trade. But unfortunately, as you can see, this bar went against me, stopped me out right there. So yeah, this is a pretty decent setup. I'd take that one again. But it sucks to have back-to-back losses. And so yeah, now we are that's terrible, 0-2 for negative $570. When I get 2 losses, I don't want to keep trading and get into trouble. So I'm going to take a little break and hopefully clear my head and get back to the charts here in a minute. All right, well, I've had a chance to relax, get my head clear, took a little walk. Now I'm back to it, and seeing that we got a range here. We're really just kind of going back and forth in this area. So now I feel pretty confident in trading a range setup. So basically looking for failed breakouts, because the majority of the breakouts of trading ranges will fail. So since we've had so much bullish momentum, would especially like a false breakout to the downside. So if prices break through this range, I'll look for a nice bullish bar to trade back into it. All right, we are at the bottom of the range now. This is the setup I was looking for. So looking for prices to go lower and then finish on a nice bullish bar, and then we'll look to get long. Okay, looks like we just triggered higher on this bullish bar. Barely, but good enough for me. I'm gonna see if I can sneak this back a little bit, trying to get a better entry on this. There we go. Hopefully get a better entry here. Cool, and we are long. Got a nice entry, moving my stop up, and hopefully we can start chipping away at the losses from earlier. Okay, we are getting close to our order here, and I'm actually just going to cut it there. I don't want to see it bounce off and turn down on me again. Just trying to make some base hits. So now bringing our total to 1 and 2. Still down $300, but hopefully can get another trade or two to make that back up. All right, well, we still have our same play going. I'm gonna get my order ready. This is going to give us a chance to have a really little risk, betting that our play is still valid, that reversal back into the range. So I took that pullback hoping that this is going to turn up to be a higher low. If not, only risking a couple points. So I think it's a worthy risk at this point. It looks like this is going to be a higher low bullish bar. I'm actually going to get my order out of the way, because if this turns out bullish, this would be a high probability setup in and of itself. All right, this is finishing on a bullish hammer. I'm getting my order out of the way. We're going to shoot up to close to the midline there. And actually, I should have doubled up on that, since we have that false breakout and a higher low, extremely bullish bar. Could have doubled up there, wasn't really thinking about it, but do want to catch a nice big move here. So if we get this trade, it's going to be like 15, almost 20 points, I think. Okay, we're getting extremely close to our order again. Yeah, I'm going to take this off right here. I don't want to see us bounce off that exact level where that wick is and then not be able to break through. So now we are 2 and 2 and back into positive territory, plus almost $300. Feeling good, seeing if we can get maybe one more trade. All right, looks like we do have a breakout of the trading range, and the majority of breakouts of trading range will fail. So I am looking to go long here, and it looks like this bar is finishing pretty bullish. If we can finish the bar right around here, I'll look to go long. I have my order ready. And we could just go straight down from here. That's totally fine with me. But if we trigger above that bar, should get a nice little move up. Okay, we are long. I'm moving my stop up below our signal bar. I'm just going to go for like 6 points here. I'm not expecting a move all the way up to the top of the range, but just enough to trap some of those. There we go. Trap some of those shorts. So now got another one under our belts. We are now 3 and 2. Now almost up to $500. Okay, we have another breakout of the range. I am not going to fade this one. I don't think it's going to be a failed breakout. Why? Well, we didn't make it to the top of the range here. On our failed breakout, we barely made it past the midline, and now we are heading down again. So starting to make lower highs and lower lows. That shows that we got some bearish momentum in the market. So I'm looking to take a short now. All right, as you can see, I drew this line right here. That was the previous low of the day. So wanting prices to move up and make an attempt at that level, and then finish on a nice bearish bar. So that will be the breakout, pullback, nice bearish bar, and then we can get short. That bar did go higher, looking for it to turn bearish now. Here we go. I am probably going to put my order right below these two bars, because that would be an engulfing entry. Yeah, I'm going to put my order right there. Prices could get moving pretty fast. And we are getting closer to our entry point. I'm not really in the mood to go through a drawdown here to try to get this trade. So yeah, cut it there. Didn't want to see prices go against us. That's not really a good practice in trading. and that tells me that I should probably stop. We started the day 0 and 2, and now we are 4 and 2 for almost $600. If you've made it this far in the video, that means you're appreciating the content. Please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, check out my other videos up there, and we'll see you next time.